This show is sponsored by PSE Archery, X Broadheads, Millennium Tree Stands, The Chase Deer Scent, Extreme Archery Products, Antler Insanity.
I want to welcome you to the Seasoned Hunter episode. Today I'm going to take my crossbow and do some adjustments on it. I've got a new bolt that I want to try in it. I want to make sure it's on the mark. I've had to work with my scope to get the eye release so that I'm more comfortable with it. My target's set at 20 yards. And just a few minutes we're going to see what I got to do to get this thing adjusted. So stay tuned and come back and watch the video. Now I want to explain to you what I did. I fired 5 shots from my crossbow at this target. The first 2 was at 20 yards. And as you can see, they were pretty well where I wanted them. So I stepped back to 30 yards and I'm going to shoot the third one. Well, the cocking rope was loose and the string caught the loop, so the arrow went straight into the ground there in front of the camera. Maybe you saw that. The 4th shot was a little bit high at 30 yards, and I really wasn't too happy with that, so I made a little bit of adjustment, shot it again. It was right where I wanted it to be. Now, if I was shooting a rifle, I'd want it about 2 inches high at 100 yards. However, on a crossbow, you want it right where you want it, 20 yards, 30 yards, and 40 yards, and it'll fall in there. Hope this has helped some of you. I've enjoyed doing it, enjoyed being with you, and stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.
If you like this show, watch our other shows at hunt365.tv. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button on the screen, or connect with us and receive notices of all our new episodes by liking our Facebook page.